大家好，这节我们继续讲职场英语玻璃升降器 Pwe 模块软件技术要求。我们从这个图可以看出啊，这几个呢，这都是电路图，就是汽车摇窗机玻璃升降器的这个跟在车身上维修过程中的这个马达与控制开关之间的这个关系。这个也是它通过这个令线与车身控制模块相连，控制了玻璃升降器。我们知道玻璃升降器有这个一键升降，还有普通的玻璃升降器啊，但是现在呢，手动的基本上没有了，主要是以电动为主，就是 Pwe 的缩写就是 Power Window Electronics， 实际上就是这个图里边的，在摇窗机它一般和马达连在一块儿，作为一个模块，整体是由这个汽车这个摇窗机供应商来提供。我们从这可以看出来，它这里面是有 PCB 板，有芯片，这里边有逻辑控制。这个逻辑控制主要是与 BGM 有这个令的通信。另外呢，它自己能对这个防夹进行这个防夹反转，逻辑控制是由它来处理的。好，在这个职场英语嘛，实际上职场英语并不是普通的一些开会了这些信息，实际上真正作为工程师在交流过程中，实际上主要是针对这些模块、软件、电子设计这方面的一些技术要求、技术规范进行交流。所以说，我们要对这些专业术语其实要掌握。其实职场英语并不是简单的做的 business English 这种简单的开会啦、计划啦、时间节点啦，当然这是重要，但是真正的技术交流还是以这个专业的英语。好，那我们闲话少说，直接谈。这节我们主要讲的是这个 Pwe 的一些技术要求，就是 electrical requirements。第一个就是 electrical component purpose. The Pwe will be integrated into the window regulator motor assembly and perform the functions specified throughout this document. The Pwe will interface to the vehicle electrical system via the interface requirements specified. Window lifter or regulator. This is a power window electronics. It belongs to the module or PCB. PCBA is this. Sometimes they be assembled with the motor and the connector through the link to the BCM. This connector with the GND and the battery and up and the link and express a jar, a down, maybe the 7-pin through this connector. Windows system enable will be determined by the link communication master. This means that Windows system enable decided by the link communication master. In other words, is BCM. In other words, BCM can enable the Windows system, assembly plant and service programming. Pwe calibration shall be capable of being downloaded at assembly plant and during service. The supplier shall maintain the capacity to preload calibration prior to the shipment of the PW to the vehicle assembly plant or service. The PW shall not accept a programming input if the window regulator is in motion. The window switch operation. Electrical Product Engineering issues specification for vehicle platform window switch operation. The supplier must review this specification, examples shown below, and bring forward any question or inconsistencies relative to the window regulator automatic reversal system feature. The is press up or down function is accomplished via a two-position detent switch. The is press up and down actuation shall occur upon the actuation of the second detent position of the switch and continue after the switch returns to the neutral position. The local window switch request recognition. A local window switch activation or transition shall be recognized as valid 15 to 20 millisecond of the first signal transition. Window switch request. The PWE or limiter shall attempt to execute send command. This execute means send the command any new switch request, external or interior, regardless of current window position status. Window switch operation reference. Local window operation, down direction. Window movement shall be in the down direction when the local window down switch is activated. This requirement is based on the window switch which has first detent as down and the second detent as express down. Window movement shall continue in down direction when the local window switch transitions from the express down position to the down position. When the local window express down switch is released from the express down position to the off means natural position. This may include passing through the down position. The window movement shall continue in the down direction until the window is completely down or until another window function becomes active. One is a current sensing the switch is required for no express up window system. Up direction. 1. Window movement shall be in up direction when the local window up switch is activated. This requirement is based on a window switch that has the first detent as up and the second detent as express up. Window movement shall continue in the up direction when the local window switch transitions from the express up position to the up position. When the local window express up switch is released from express up position to the off position, the window movement shall continue up direction until any of the following are true. 1. The window is determined to completely up. 2. Another window function becomes active. 3. An obstacle is encountered and detected. Note: any conditional information relative to level-based Windows switch command logic. Related Windows system mechanism. Related Windows system mechanization and stack Windows switch logic reside within electrical requirement for global A power window system. Okay, now we talk about this. And another requirement for that the supplier for the window PWE requirement is for the software. We can see that for the PW software programming and boot requirements. The PWE shall be capable of being reprogrammed via the Limbus and a bad new methodology. The tools and reprogramming requirements for this shall be defined and provided by the supplier. This reprogramming is to be used for development and quick turnaround at assembly plant in the event that late software change is required. Care shall be taken to ensure that any interruption to a programming event shall not result in the possibility of a brain-dead PWE. Software function requirement. The PWE software function requirements are specified in the GM PWE software function requirements specification. Okay, that's all for today.